May comments kayo or may fun fact kayo sa Zero Pressure?
Yan, favorite ko.
It's giving Dua Lipa vibes.
Oh, yeah.
It's
Favorite ko yan.
different attack ng BINI. Maganda yung song, I like it.
True. Yeah, and the meaning din, maganda yung meaning niya. Maganda yung choreo, guys. Abangan nyo yung choreo nito.
True, true.
Okay, are we
Joanna.
ready for our next song?
Jo,
Yes?
Plinay mo ba yung from Spotify?
Hindi.
Kaya pala.
Weo? Okay, gets.
Okay.
Okay. So, next song, Out of My Head.
Oh my God, I love this song. But,
Mamaya na.
Okay, shut your mouth.